The Eufy Video Doorbell C31 is an affordable, feature-rich option for smart home security. It offers a 2K resolution with a 4:3 aspect ratio, delivering sharp and detailed visuals of your doorway. A standout feature is its face-to-face video call capability, which pops up on your phone for real-time interaction, making communication with visitors seamless. The C31 supports dual power modes, a quick-release 6,500 mAh rechargeable battery for flexibility and a hardwired option for continuous 24/7 recording. Storage is robust, with support for up to 128 GB on a microSD card or expansion up to 16 TB when paired with the Eufy Homebase S380 or S280. This allows users to adapt storage capacity based on their needs. Additional features include compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, ensuring easy integration with other smart devices. The device also pairs with the Eufy Mini Base chime for additional home alerts. Thank you so much.